guys, welcome back to the channel, The Highway, here again with Kristen Gulu. You already know what it is. Hey, you were wondering what this video is all about. Today I have a Airwave. It's basically a performance mouthpiece. I saw this with a lot of athletes like using in the CrossFit industry. It's Rich Froning, Dalen Pepper, Chris Harris. We also have a Spartan athlete, which is called Jason Silva, and also Steph Chung, which is also a games veteran. I saw this online and I thought to myself, okay, what is this? What is it all about? So I bought it. I bought it. Here it is, guys. Once you order it, we're gonna get, of course, the fitting guide, the usage guide, and also you're gonna get a case for it. And inside you have the mouthpiece itself. It's very small compared to original mouthpiece, and it's also what they told us in the fitness guide. It's moldable, so you can mold it into a way, but you can also mold it again. They also have a fitting guide, so I'll post that link in below. Let's talk a little bit more about the Airwave itself. The Airwave, it's not just a chemical thing that you may thought, oh no, you're just getting rich out of it. No, it has a backing of over 15 years of research and development conducted with elite athletes. So you would say that this is not just something that they throw out there, it is something that they put a lot of hard work in it. If you go on their website, which is airwave.com with the double A, you will tend to see that all the researcher articles that you can tend to read up on yourself. Let's talk about the Airwave. It's a little bit of plastic. It's not that hard. It's like a normal mouth guard. And also, if you see right here, it has a placing for your tongue and also breathe channels in. So that way you can breathe better and more efficiently. Why Airwave? They say that we believe high intensity and endurance athletes work harder and make more sacrifices. We will do all can we do for the support of these athletes' communities, the competitive athletes themselves, the organization, gyms, events, and retailers who support and are them simultaneously. According to their website also, and also the peer review articles and the researches, it says that the CT scans prove the mouthpiece increases the width of your airwaves of an average 9%. I don't know how much that is, but 9% is pretty much, I think. So let's talk about the benefits of this. It tells us that it's increased endurance. It reduces respiratory rate by 20%, resulting in less lactic acid production. We all know about that, right? It has faster recovery times. It reduces cortisol, built up to 50% after intense workouts, which improves recovery times. We all know about how recovery is very important for us after each workout, and also increases strength and improves muscle endurance. I like it. I like how it comes in. You get a little case for it. You can just clip it onto your bag, your gym bag. In a 1 month time, I'll let you guys know how it went for me. I'm gonna be testing it out. And yeah, guys, I'm just gonna be letting you know my review on the complete Airwave. It's not justified to use it only once and let you guys know. I'm doing it like a trial, like a 1 month trial. So you guys are gonna get to know what it is, what it's all about. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me at the end of the day. You guys already know. Kristen Gulu with The Hybrid. See you in the next one.